While some people might argue the Hesdallen lights are not a completely natural occurrence, they are certainly mysterious in nature. Frequent sightings since the 1930s all the way up to the present day make these strange lights appearing in the sky one of Norway's most compelling enigmas. According to eyewitness reports, they appear during the day as well as nighttime and seem to flow through and above this valley in central Norway. Their hues vary, but they are always described as brightly shining. While some sightings report the light swaying gently back and forward in the air, other times they are described as moving at blisteringly fast speeds. The Hesdallen lights seem to have a preference for the 80s, as they were reported an astonishing 15 to 20 times per week over a period of 3 years between 81 and 84. In recent years, though, they have shunned the limelight and reportings have all but died out. As a result of the abnormal amount of sightings some 40-odd years ago, 3 separate research groups consisting of students, engineers, and journalists tried their hardest to observe the lights above the valley and hopefully offer some sort of explanation. However, the true origin of these luminous sky orbs seemed more elusive than originally thought. One research group postulated that the lights could involve some poorly understood form of combustion involving hydrogen, oxygen, and sodium. This would be somewhat plausible, as there seems to be an extremely rare ore named scandium present in the Hesdallen Valley. This compound, whose properties are a sort of intermediate between aluminium and yttrium, could be responsible for a chemical reaction that produces the lights. Another popular theory is that the lights are a product of piezoelectricity, which is the electric charge that accumulates in certain solid metals when introduced to extreme pressure. Many of the rock crystals in the valley contain quartz, which can produce an intense charge density that, combined with particles present in the air, could produce ball-like shapes of immense speed, light, and heat. One of the more mundane but maybe also more plausible theories is that a lot of the sightings might simply be misperceptions of stars, aircrafts, car headlights, reflections, mirages, and just plain old imagination. Until we find out what the Hesdallen lights truly are, this remains simply a mystery.